Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
No, good evening to you all. Good evening, my people. I greet you now. Good evening, now good afternoon, good night. Depend on the area, the location where you watch this video from. I greet you all. Now well done. And don't still come again. Congratulations to all Edo sons and daughters all over the world. Oh, bless God Almighty. Our royal father don't finally collect the artifact. Oh, bless God for that. We thank God Almighty for all He has done. I greet you all, my people. Please help me to share this video. Share this video. Help me to share this video. Congratulations to Edo people. Congratulations to Edo sons and daughters. Baba Kingsley, I greet you. Congratulations to you. Happy birthday to you. I wish you long life, prosperity. Above all, God's grace, His abundant mercy, His joy shall reign upon your life. You shall never lack, but rather you shall have multiple to give to others. It's my prayer for you. Congratulations, my brother. Happy birthday celebration. I greet you now. My people, una good evening. I greet you now. Ekuna, help me share this video. Congratulations to Edo sons and daughters. Our papa don't sign the artifacts deal. He don't finally collect her. He don't collect her. So congratulations to all Edo sons and daughters. To all Edo sons and daughters, those that mean well for Edo. Those that really mean well for Edo, not the enemy of the kingdom. No. Those who are enemy to the kingdom, we are not there among the prayer. Those that want to see our kingdom fall down, we are not there that prayer. We are not there. Only for the good ones. The well-meaning Edo. The ones that really love the kingdom and want to see how the kingdom will move forward, how our palace, how everything, how our culture will be respected. Now, I greet all of una. I twirl for una. Congratulations. The thing surprised some people. Still surprise some of us. Say, our Emowa founder no go. I don't want to go cause wahala this evening. Emowa Foundation no go. In and the caucus, they no go. They no go. They not still send the representative say, okay, me no fit go. Make this one still go represent me there. You know, do am with my people. Emowa no go. You not send anybody to say, may then go represent her. You know, do am. When I don't see this kind of thing before, a governor of a state go they boycott his own culture where he for come and everything about himself. Governor of a state will boycott everything that has to do with Atwale Baba Newman, Itoe Baba. Anna Noma, congratulations to you. Thank you, my dear sister. Thank you. Now all of us will get the congratulations. City boss, Ahele. Now all of us get the congratulations. No, we go congratulate all ourselves. At least we witness them. We not there, but it come for our time. And many go come. Next year celebration. Baba Prince Lucky agreed. Wish you the same city boss. Next year celebration when German go return their own. Now that one go big pass. Oga Pepper Soup Atwale, I greet you now. Now, good evening. Compliment of the season to you all. Compliment of the season, my people. I greet you now. When I not see say Edo State Governor and his caucus, they were not present on Monday celebration. What a fuck up. Baba Gwaliho, Korame. Compliment of the season. Hope everyone are doing fine. A state governor could not go. He did not go. He did not send a representative. It's a pity anyway. It's a pity. It's a pity. Now, big congratulations. Gradually, they will bring them all. America will soon bring their own by the special grace of God. America will be bringing their own very soon. America will bring their own very, very soon by the special grace of God. And we go see weakness and our royal father go still sign. He go collect it things, enter house. That is how it's supposed to be. That is how it's supposed to be. They should take it to where it was taken for. And I thank President Muhammadu Buhari because at the beginning of all this thing, when we hear the story, how the whole thing was going, for me, I was not scared. Because I know, say, Hausa people, once they give you the award, they give you the award. That is it. Unless they never just give you. But for a son of the soil to want to kind of do that shady things, it was bad. And he not go. He not send anybody go. And this is a governor that like party. He like to do party. He like to go party. He like to go. I've been a burial, condolence visit in the like. Me no know. Because this one, he was supposed to be there. A lot of people went there. Akpabio went there. Pastor Sege Zeyamo was there. Vivian, I greet you. Kojenoge. Oshomole was there. Comrade Adam Sali Oshomole was there. Former deputy governor Paloki Imaswen was also there. Mr. Kenneth Imasagbon was also there. You know, where everybody know as Rice Man. He was there too. A lot of Edo, well-meaning Edo people, both even outsiders, were there. They all came from all over. But we not see Edo State Governor. You know, him and the group, they're not there. What a shame. What a shame. It shows a stranger is ruling the state. It shows a foreigner is ruling the state. That is what it shows. A real son of the soil is supposed to know what he have to do, no matter what. I go abasini. Edowo bonawo kamugbukuta won monya. Anyway, to God be the glory. Erimata ene owo bi mara kohun ne ehien doya. Mayak biseyo iwie doyak biseyo. Ise obedo akuhun ne ehien doya fe. So na so it be. You go gang up with outsiders, so come they fight your house. So God will surely disgrace you people one day, one way or the other, no matter what. And so this life be. My Edo people, I greet you now. I congratulate you now. Congratulations to all Edo sons and daughters. All well-meaning Edo sons and daughters that really know the value of our culture, the culture of the great Benin Empire. An empire that have been existing for many years, thousands of years, not even 1,000 years, not even 2,000 years. Edo Kingdom or Benin Empire is going about 3,000 to 4,000 years. So we should be proud that we came from there. We have huge culture. We should be happy, my people. At least people will be say they know, I don't know. So those that know the value of our empire, they were there. So now so it be. Congratulations to our royal father. We thank President Muhammadu Buhari for keeping to his words. That is how it's supposed to be. Though that is how you know straightforward people. Once they give you the award, they give you the award. But not the one that will tell you, okay, I'm going to do it. This is not something where be say, somebody invite you, come join. But at the end of the day, you now be one carry, you know, somebody will come say, come help me do this thing. You now, you be one carry the mortar. When you do where, or modo, or moviodo, or mwema, or one mwemia. Now say, be one bill. Omalawa we dogumeri rai, ona we ya wa mwema. Ya modo, ya moviodo, ya wa mwemi ya fe. It is not done that way. We are happy. We are really, really happy. We are overwhelmed, oversatisfied. Oversatisfied. My the pain wey be say still there say, I know they too much for the jubilate, they pump champagne because our voice nearly crack for this thing, eh? Our voice nearly crack. Our people will go they write from platform to platform. But it pay me, say, Oguname not there, yeah. It pay me. I don't want just be waiting, they pay me, will be say, I know they too, they overjoy for this thing. Because late Oguname, he really, really fought. He fought. That is how you know a son that really has the heart of his own place where he came from. So Oguname really fought. May his soul rest in peace. He's a great hero. He's a great fighter. He's a great warrior. His soul continue to rest in perfect peace. The warrior no. He left a good name behind. That is what matters. He left a good name behind. Whenever we are jubilating over this artifact, every one of us will still remember him. How he fought, how he took it upon himself. It was for him like, on a saying, we name, you know, so to God be the glory. May his soul continue to rest in perfect peace. Is what I wish him whenever I see or I read anything concerning this artifact. I'm overwhelmed. May waiting why you been have a spirit wodo. Star Shine, good evening. No, I know say see the fight. Oguname the fight, they go. Say they must bring her come. And truly they go bring her. So by the grace of God. We they celebrate our artifact don't come. So we they celebrate. Some people not go. And that one be the thing. Them and their carcass not go. So another story where they there be say court don't give judgment today. Edo people. That's why Edo why you call your the court don't give judgment today. Say may Governor Godwin Obaseki make it go build Comrade Tony Kabaka hotel where he destroy, make it go rebuild them back. Court don't give judgment to say make Edo State governor go rebuild that hotel back. Make it go rebuild them back. So therefore, Comrade Tony Kabaka won the case. Congratulations to him. It was never a government land. The governor know himself. The governor, Edo State governor, know too well that that land was not a government. It was just politics of bitterness. Politics of hatred. And this is somebody that you people are from the same family, your own blood. Your cousin Pekin. Your cousin Pekin. Your cousin Pekin. Your Excellency, sir. I beg you, you so much love it. We don't know, but court don't tell her. Congratulations, because a lot of people pressurize the governor to do this thing. A lot of bitter soul, they were the one who pressurized the governor to do it. I believe left for Governor Godwin Obaseki, I don't think he would have done this thing. I don't think so. It was a lot of bitter soul that are working with him. They are the one who pressurize him to say, yes, fall that hotel down, destroy the hotel, destroy the hotel. Whether he can't build them, he not can't build them, but he there for law now say, Comrade Tony Kabaka won the case against him, that they order him to go and rebuild the hotel back. He should go and rebuild it. Because case they caught. Case never even start. You just carry bulldozer. You go where. You destroy him. Meaning, we are not respecting the law. The judicial system in Nigeria, the government, we are not respecting it. Our state governor was not respecting it, especially when he not favor our governor. If he not favor our governor not they respect him. But the moment every court case go favor him, you will see our governor, he go come they dance, he will come they happy, if people will come out. I wonder if the people go come out now, come dance, come happy, come jubilate. I don't know, Sister Shine, whether now our money again, you understand? You know, when we go, they talk all these things. Some people know now our money, if first use, they destroy them. Now our money, if first use, they destroy them because the caterpillar way go destroy them, he go pay them. Not be a those state money. Now those state money. Make you obey the law. Because if court favor our governor, they are people. So this one way not favor them. Some of us, they look to see whether Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, His Excellency, he is respecting the judicial system in Nigeria, especially the ones in Edo State. Because this one not favor now. We know many way not even favor them, even from Port Harcourt, like that vaccine way he begin they force them, they drive them. Vaccine not favor them. Court rule against them. But he still forced Edo people. He forced them. He drove them from their working place. He was enforcing it on them. Even till now, as he be say everywhere now, lock up. Oyibo never see say, you must. They never talk calm. They never talk calm. I want to share this video. We need to celebrate. And we have to watch to really see whether Governor Godwin Obaseki he is respecting the court of law in Edo State, because this one are not favorable. So some of us, we are going to watch. We are going to monitor the system. We are going to see whether in go order them, make them carry it bokiti. Make them carry it bokiti, make them go, they start to the rebuke them there. At least the hotel is about 40 rooms or so. You cannot demolish property without compensation. You cannot destroy people's property without compensating them. Even police for abroad, that they lose case against normal citizens, that they lose case. Police for abroad, they lose case. Police, if they can't arrest you or they do you anyhow, you get right to take lawyer. You get right to take lawyer, especially when you know, say, you were not wrong. You can find anything legal against them. You get right. I don't first talk my own. When I they go work early morning, one woman called them. The woman tell them, say, oh, see, she see some people. They go do breaking and entry. They carry us. When we they drive, they go work. That was 2005. Now, when I can't go meet my lawyer can't tell me, say, okay, thank God said they not use 1 hour to pass the normal hour. Police will owe you for 12 hours. Or till they do no more than 12 hours. If you don't know, no now. No more than 12 hours. If they owe you past 12 hours, and they can't find out say nothing, you have every right to sue them. You have every right to sue them. No more than 12 hours. So they have long hours enough to do their investigation. Unless when they not go can't leave you. Now when they see say some shady things come day. You know when this our brother Semegi Ero was now talking, they owe me, they do this, they do this. Because they already find some shady things. That's why they hold on. They not green liver. Sister Shine, you are right in one place. You know this thing, my dear sister. May I tell you, for politics, may I tell you one thing. For politics, there is no brother, there is no sister. There is no father in politics. You feel they support A. Your pikin feel go they support B. Now so politics B. You understand? But no can use your own junior brother take work finish. Can't use and take do all the work where you do. I remember those days now. Few years ago, when Ekiti state governor, they use Kabaka name, they shout, they go. Say, they come make it you, they come make it you. I remember many of us saw that video during the time of election in Ekiti, when they take fire me. You understand? But what give to Caesar, what you promise to Caesar. What belong to Caesar, give it to Caesar. Promise is promise. E pardon mo sare boy. Exactly, sir. We thank the lawyer. The lawyer tried very, very well. At least fighting a case with a state governor is not easy, especially with the Nigerian system. You know, the lawyer really tried. The lawyer he has wisdom. He has a lot of wisdom. He has a lot of wisdom. He's a good lawyer. He's a good lawyer. He's a good lawyer. And may God bless the judge. That judge was not biased. May God bless the judge. It is the right thing to do. Make the governor go rebuild them. Our governor should obey the court of law. He should obey because now court still even still the tenure way in there so na court may we just say na court na I put in there. Na court put in there too. Na court. So because if he not win, he go for not still day. So he respect and other people respect the court. So make him too still respect. Make him respect the court of law. He should do the right thing. Now court put him for the position where he there for his second tenure. So he know say the seat was really, really shaky. Our governor know say his seat was shaky. Because it was a battle to win. So now court still put him there. All the way to Supreme Court. So now court still put him there. I see no reason why he no go respect a court. He should respect the court order. Now so my dear sister, family is family, but some people they don't know that. You understand? Let me tell you, family is family that we are all saying. Let me tell you, a distant family member from maybe from your papa's side or your mama's side that doesn't know you too well, they will not value you. It's only the one that you people grow up together. The one that you really know that when you were growing up together, that you will not say, okay, this one I know, and this one I know, and this one I know. You know. That is the one that you can really say family. But you see distant uncle where you don't know. Where maybe later in life you come to see and say, this uncle na my mama cousin or na my papa cousin. The love not already there. You know they. You know they. And now this hotel, the thing we pay me is there, be say, now this hotel, our governor go during the time of his first campaign. He sit down with Comrade Tony Kabaka for the same chair. Two of them sit down. Now inside that hotel, the governor go. The hotel was already there before you became a governor. But because some of our Edo people were bittered, now they push governor go do that thing. Make it just destroy her. Comrade Tony Kabaka, they challenge you. Comrade Tony Kabaka, they challenge you. Just go and destroy it. Now, why those brothers and sisters, now they push on the evil ones. Now they engineer the thing where be say, those state governor go do that thing. Left for me, I'm not sure say go do one. Politics, here, politics, you can talk anything talkable. But tomorrow, you know me say, you see your opponent or make una not eat together for one plate. You know, they. That was the kind of politics some of us grew up to come and meet. Not be the kind of politics where they can't go bring come. So this 4+4 equipment where they carry come. Politics, after you don't campaign, your papa go just day one side, you go day once the other side, they campaign against your own biological father. It not concern you. But you go has go tell and say, Baba, I need school fees. It go give you money. That was politics. It don't mean say you and your brother or your sister will not need to date the same political party. No. It not be like that. It not be like that. But the thing when me and they see here be say, make our governor respect the court order. Aye, where points in your excellency, I beg. Make we Edo people still see them because some of us they monitor and say, you know they respect court order. Now when he favor you, now you they come out come they happy. If he not favor you, you know they respect her. You know they respect her, sir. He not good. He not good. It is when the court will not favor you, that is when you now know that the court is really, they are trying, they are doing their job well. But if he not favor you, you know they respect her, you know they value her. You know they value her. May we they wait. May we they wait. Because some of us won't really monitor this thing. Whether they go carry one bag of sand, one tipper of sand, or one ikpokiti go there, or one mud, one block there. We won't really know. Because even for abroad, even if na illegal structure, you go still compensate the person. They not just they carry something, they demolish them. After una don't demolish and finish, you see they tell the man say, make he come pay 18 million. Where you take pack the dirty come out. And then I just shake my head. And these are blood. Oh. These are blood. Which is very, very bad. It's very, very bad. Now many people go see and say, oh, it disrespect, oh, it disrespect. Oh. All what Comrade Tony Kabaka was doing, I see it as politics. Oh. Where all the talk, when they talk, those days, yeah, like last year, 2 years ago, all those they talk, those are political talks. When in they talk for mouth. But people will be say they never even really know what it be politics. They come, they say, oh, he's disrespecting the governor. He was playing politics. He was playing politics. Politics, if you want to become a politician, you know, say your body, you don't want injury. No enter politics. No enter politics. Politics now where they go bring everything about your papa life, your mama life, your history. Una no see Barack Obama, how they doing? How they doing? Where yana we atije igbi agya sef. E kenijana ya wi igbi agya. Inya wole ya violata. Inya wole ya violata. Ya se gbovi donation ni ye mare. Inya ya wole mi ya violata. That is politics. Everything about you will be outside. Whereby people, children go, they use pangolo, they use and they sing. Now so politics be those days. But nobody they carry and say, oh, this person, he is insulting me, he is disrespecting, he is doing this. What about when the governor is always making his statement? What about when the governor is always making some kind of some of our governor statements? They enter sometimes. Like the one where you say, oh, I am the governor of the state, this one cannot come down, the other one cannot do this, the other one cannot do this. Anybody quarrel for that one? No. It is politics. Let me say. It is politics. And if you promise somebody something for politics, you don't give them. You don't give the person back. The person get every right to say, I'm not going to work for you again. No, I don't renounce this person. I'm not. Una they say for this social media. All na politics. That's why if I see some, I go see some group where be say, there be they quarrel before. Later they come they fight. I go laugh. I'll say, oh, all these things. Now just kind of maybe the way that they do social media saga in but politics dey sweet. Politics dey very interesting, but not be bitter politics wey be say they can't carry come that. If person can't talk, they will say don't come home. If person do this, don't come home. Una know wetin they do Donald Trump. Una know wetin they use Donald Trump eye take see. Even he's a billionaire, but una know wetin he eye see. Una know wetin he eye see. So the people go more than Donald Trump. They will come more than some come they even they call him Orange Man. Barack Obama then dig everything about her. Then dig everything about him. Go reach Kenya, then go dig everything about him out. That is politics. Politics will naked you outside. Now politics. So I don't see the reason why it can't be say some people they were now taking it like kind of to their heart. Hey, he's talking to the governor. He's talking to the governor. No, they not get. They not get. They not get. It's just that the thing when I see there, the thing where I see there, if you talk of in terms of politics, may we just say political, this may we give them grade. For politics, Kabaka senior Edo State governor for politics. For politics, our governor not be politician. He na economic master, na businessman he be. So not be politician. That's why a lot of drama there for your time. He not be politician. Not be politician. Politician that they get with mato. Politician that they get with mouth. They know how to strategize. They know how to bring people together. Even if they throw Bangolo, they go give them. Then go see look the Bangolo, then go laugh, then go turn back. But they are still coming to you. Those are politicians. Politicians, they love the drama. They love attention. They seek attention. And the moment if you, they shout them, they go, they happy they put. But tomorrow, they still come meet you. Politicians know the whole West for too long say, oh, he's insulting me. He's doing this. No. Insult not there for political arena. Okay, you know one thing, like for this their own, I'm not sure say they know too well, no. Because like for the governor, a lot of people don't know her. A lot of Edo people don't hear about her before. Even when you not talk of popularity. Now them come Tony Kabaka, Oshomole. Now them bring governor out. Now them boast the governor. Now they make people know the governor. Now they make Edo people know Edo State governor. Nobody know Obaseki before. You understand? Nobody know the governor before. Nobody don't even hear about his own name before. No. Like somebody like Nosa Obaseki, where they act Edo movie. He was more, Nosa Obaseki is more popular than Edo State governor before. Nobody know her. But a lot of Edo sons and daughters, where be say, you don't watch Edo drama, you don't watch Edo movie, you go no say yes, Nosa Obaseki. Even Nosa was even the first, yeah, I think so, the first Edo son where be say maybe for young youth, where go out for Nollywood movie. Nosa Obaseki was acting, he come up for even Edo. Now Nollywood in the art before he travel come out. So Nosa popularity was even more of a bigger standard than our present day governor. Nobody know her. Nobody know our governor. So you see her. And maybe person like that now. Now during that campaign, in we come Tony Kabaka will come and say, okay, Imama and the governor, they are cousin, they relate. So you know when somebody wants favor, he go fair cool down, he go fair mellow, he go fair do all na. Sister Mercy na great, cause you no gay, but you know, na he be waiting play. So we they look, because me I don't go forget. As far as court don't give order today now say, make he go rebuild the hotel back to the way it was before. Now God go bless that judge. Now God now go bless that judge, go reward them. Go reward them. And God go bless the lawyer. The lawyer is a good lawyer for his patience, for his wisdom. Not be everybody go green one okay say oh now governor you they challenge. Nobody. Some people go they fear. Then go they fear to talk for where they're supposed to talk. And the governor not see one tangible, I not see one tangible evidence where be say, then carry come say, truly. Now, that is if he go obey, now we they talk. If he go obey, now that one we they watch. Because you know they like to obey court order way no favor. You know they like to obey court order way no favor. Now this one we they watch. We want know. We want really know whether our governor, now governor of now governor way they respect rules and regulation law. We want know for this one whether our governor, now governor way be say they respect the judicial system of Nigeria, because now Supreme Court put him there as a governor for this is second term, which he himself you know. Now court in tell win this is second term. He know concerning his certificate. Concerning his own certificate. So he is a Supreme Court governor. For this is second tenure. In a Supreme Court governor. You know, in a Supreme Court governor for this second tenure. But for the judgment we come out for those states today, many of us we they look because now out of bitterness, out of hatred, though people now will go down, hotel must go down, it must go down. But una now today now we be say una shout last year said the hotel must go down. How far now? How about it now that the hotel is not going down again? That they now order the governor to go and rebuild the hotel. Case just day court. Case day court. Judge never even open notebook. Make him look am. Wanna share this video, my people. Share this video, like this video. This is a lesson for every one of us to learn. It's a lesson. It might happen to you tomorrow. It might happen to you tomorrow. Don't allow people to push you to go and do things that you are not supposed to do. Don't allow people to push you to go do what you're not supposed to do. Now be waiting go on so. Because of politics, though people, the hotel must go down. It must go down. It must go down. It must go down. Today, uko. Una governor now, he must rebuild the hotel. So all of una now where campaign say the hotel must go down. I hope una go donate. I hope many of una now go come carry pokiti. I hope una go carry shovel. I hope una go carry shovel. Make una go help Edo State governor go rebuild the hotel back. Edo people, we are just playing politics of bitterness. Not be good thing. Not be good thing. And this politics of bitterness, it was all coming from Abatobaze. Abatobaze started all this thing. Even said the governor used the Comrade Tony Kabaka first time. You know, compensate any one of them. Now see the same thing he do to Abat. So, compensate any one of them. No problem. No problem. But he's supposing this Abat was not interfering. He's supposing Abat was not the middle person. It's not better than no. It's supposing people were not coming out on social media to come and make big. Now a lot of them will be say they were coming out on social media to come and make, hey, he's talking to the governor, he's doing this to the governor. Comrade Tony Kabaka was playing politics. Go and look people will play politics years back. You see the way they will take talk. Immediately they finish campaign. Then they go gather, go sit down. If some of our people, if they think back, why it be say, person wey first day, okay, go look the recent one, I will just say the most popular one among them. Like Fani Kayode, where he did PDP, where he talk to Buhari, insult Buhari anyhow. Fani Kayode not being the APC, so. Now question they ask. This na person wey be say he don't blast Buhari left and right. Even he was one time even a friend with Nnamdi Kanu and all. He was blasting Buhari. But today, no be in the APC so. Buhari doing anything? Is Buhari not patient with him? Buhari go demolish his house? No. Because Buhari understands say na politics. Na politics. Next time, if anybody is coming to rule Edo, don't bring a businessman, no. Because all this kind of failure, this error, we see continue. That he is talking to the governor. He is talking to this. Go and demolish his house. Is what is going to continue. Just bring a real politician. They took this politics of 18 during the time of Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, His Excellency. They took his politics that he was playing too bitter, too personal. Too personal because he's not a politician. He not be politician. Politician. If not politician they dialogue. Politician they dialogue. Why I say he not be politician, he can quote me wrong. Make him come and come tell say he be politician. How can you fight with somebody that brought you in? And the person now, another party now, where he carry umbrella, can't use them. When APC push you for inside rain, when APC push you for inside rain for center of ring road, rain they beat you, they go. PDP can't come, they can't carry umbrella, they can't use and take cover you. Make rain not beat you again. What thing happen for PDP now? Not be the same thing. He is to let you know that he is not a politician. Believe me. Tomorrow there no be an Oshomole go see, then go use and shake each other, hold each other, hug each other, sit down, begin the gist, they drink, they happy together. That is politician for you. Now so that they say they play politics. Politics no mean say you have to become enemy. The politics where they play for this time can't make everybody become an enemy. Brother and sister can't they quarrel. Una know a lot of division where there for some family. All because of this family or this politics of 18. Where be say some they support the governor, some support Pastor Izeyamu, others support different political party. But because the way Edo State governor and the people were doing it, a lot of family members see they get quarantined today. Me they tell you. They get quarantined today. All because of this politics. Of bitterness they brought in Edo State. A governor that after you don't win election, okay, you win election, they carry you go court, you don't win court case. This is the time for you to at least regroup, re-strategize, bring all those sons and daughters back. Both APC, PDP, exactly, Collis. Right, good evening. Collis, I greet. There is no permanent friend and no permanent enemy in politics. Those are the politics. At least your father was a politician before. At least during your papa time, they campaign each other, against each other. They insult each other. They talk different things to each other. But you know me say, may they not go each other house. You know me say, if they see for party, may they not hug each other. You know me say, may they not talk. But the one way be say, Albert and he feed the machine and he talk, bury and come. They can't use and take destroy Edo. They can't use and take scatter Edo State. And our governor now, Kukuma now, he is not a politician. He don't know how to bring people together. Our governor don't know. Because if our governor know, he go for don't settle with them, both APC weighing for commot, both the PDP weighing day, he go for no even scatter anything for PDP way with the year. Last time, not be wicked come out. No be wicked come out, come they complain wetin they doing. Now wicked come out, come they complain. Say, see wetin they doing. Now so politicians, they take they behave. Must the whole nation complain about you for one particular behavior? It no work now. It no work. But we go look, we go dey wait. Congratulations to Comrade Tony Kabaka, either good or bad. If they history now say Comrade Tony Kabaka won the court case against His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. He is in the history. He is in the history. That hotel was never to be demolished. It was it was bitterness. It was politics of bitterness, politics of hatred. If you know you cannot take the bruises, don't come. Oh. Don't go to politics. Don't go. Don't even enter into politics. Not even go. Comrade Tony Kabaka senior Obaseki for politics. Even about Obaseki senior for politics. A real politician, they know how to strategize. They know how to gather youth together. They know how to listen to the youth. They know how to at least not to create chaos everywhere they go. You go see, Edo State House of Assembly out of 24. For the past 2 years now, 14 no day. 14 no day. The governor no agree bring the remaining 14. Even then go to court. Even Buhari talk put. Edo State governor. Your Excellency, sir, what are you scared for? What are you scared of? What are you scared of, sir? What do you think, or what are you afraid of that the other 14 Edo State House of Assembly, they are coming to do to you? Till today, Edo State House of Assembly, now only 9 people did there. Only 9 people. 9 people, and the 9 people now inside government office they sit down. Inside government office now they sit down. They not get power of their own. They not get. They not get power of their own. They now waiting the governor talk, because by law, Edo State governor, by now, the governor not even supposed to even go they borrow money. Because the people where he there for the State House of Assembly, they're not complete. The bigger part of the House of Assembly, they're outside. Why the few ones are in the governor office? So how is that done? You see where the error is coming from. A real politician will work with either both APCO, PDPO, ABGAO, so long now their people vote them in. Now their community, their constituency vote them in. The same way these people voted for you to become a governor, that was the same way they were being voted for. But he no agree made them come inside. He no agree, unless they must bow down. It is not done. It's not done. Now only Edo State not get a House of Assembly full house. Only Edo State. Now only Edo State not get local government chairman. Only Edo State not get councillor. Now only Edo State they not they build, but they destroy. Then they demolish. At least that Comrade Tony Kabaka Hotel. Now business center. Comrade Tony Kabaka was also booming boosting the economy of Edo State before the hotel was being demolished. Either good or bad, many people go for dogs still go down hotel, go lodge. It was helping the economy. Those are private business. His Excellency, sir, Mr. Governor, sir, I beg you in the name of God. La wo baba, just honor this one, eh? Put the devil to shame. Honor this one. Make Edo people really know say you they honor court of law, judgment. Not be the one way they favor you, they come out, come they dance. We don't see many way favor you where you come out, come they dance. We don't see many way favor you where you come out, come they happy. So the people where you not see favor, they not do anything. This one now, you not favor you a pa. So I beg you, sir, just do waiting they ask you, may you do. Aye, where points in wo. As a good citizen, leaders are supposed to be by example. Leaders are supposed to be by example. They are supposed to show example. Now only Edo State market is not complete. Till today, all markets way born Ekiosa, they don't give them the 100 million. No. All was just promise and faith. You know the year. Okay. Aiza Obo. And Gaza Obo. But we just say make we talk our own. Congratulations to Comrade Tony Kabaka. He won the case. He won the case. So make our governor make it judgely. Either he compensate or he give to him or he go rebuild them as court or order. He should obey. Not the one way be say he go favor him, he go they jump up, they come out, come they celebrate. Because when court judgment favor him, he come out, come do party. So for this one, Comrade Tony Kabaka need to do party for his own self too. He need to celebrate. He need to celebrate. I pray make it yid, oh my dear sister. I pray oh wagian leru. Wagian leru no mi na ho no yid. No yid. We are just praying. We are watching. We are watching. Because if something favor you, they come and come they dance. So the thing where it can't see favor today now, somebody where the court case see favor today or tomorrow, let that person jubilate too. Obey court order, sir. Obey it. No go change, no go maneuver. No go maneuver. Just obey. Be by example. Let this second tenure. Let it also be because now Supreme Court put you there too. Now Supreme Court. Now Supreme Court. So make we all just see like that. I don't get too much to talk for this one today. But I just say make us let some people know say some of us will they watch. The politics of bitterness they brought into Edo State. The politics that they were disrespecting a lot of people in Edo State. It was not good. But today now, many of them now, they don't enter house. Many of them, before anything, they go come out. If supposing too much drama, and as I talked before, if supposing too much drama not there for this hotel of a thing between Edo State governor and Comrade Tony Kabaka, I'm not sure say the governor go there, go destroy him. But now people pressurize the governor go do one. So make those people ready. Plus the one way they come at the Amagba Bush inspector where he come at, come they rant before. Make him ready because he say he sabi do leg bouquet. About where I greet Baba. He sabi do leg bouquet before. Make him ready to go carry a bucket. Make him ready, make carry shovel. Make carry bucket. When I do one carry and put for head anyone. Go stand, may you go rebuild the hotel. Join your papa, Mona gather rebuild the hotel. Because you people were on social media to come and create havoc in Edo State. To come and create what was not there. Person not go talk again. All in the name say that they play politics. Person not go talk again. Comrade Tony Kabaka was just playing politics. But they took it to something else. He's talking to the governor. He's talking to the governor. He's talking to the governor. Where person then go say person not play politics. Now when person go come they say he was insulting the father and the mother. That one not be politics anymore. You understand? Say he can't they insult the papa, he can't they insult the mama, he can't they insult the wife or the children. That one not be politics. But anything, they feel use your name to sing. Ogbama yeseo, now see something, it's politics. After we don't work for her, you know, green, no, now politics. During the time of Lucky Gbenedion and Oyegu, many of us witness her. Una know how it be now. The time of Oyegu and Lucky Gbenedion from the first time when Oyegu come out, when Oyegu win. Una know say they go court put too. That one can't even make a lot of, even Oyegu too fuck up too. Then it can't even make a lot of Edo people come out for that 98. 98, they can't vote for Lucky Gbenedion because of that urban market where he built that time. So because many people be not believe say then Lucky Gbenedion was I think Oredo local government chairman. Where they build that market, urban market. For politics, anything can happen. Albert was just coming out 20 times to come create havoc for where havoc no day. Come make video upon video. They were all these ones, even some in diasporas, we are the one even in from commenting different kind of comments from diaspora to pressurize the governor to go and demolish the hotel. Today in our market, Albert finished a lot of Edo sons and daughters now with him out. With him out. Oshomole wey even bring and come. I think or finish Oshomole. Later he go come out, he not talk, he not disrespect anybody, or he not insult. Now you start her. Now the same character they get. You are right, Stanesi. They have the same character. They have the same character. So our market today, So we pray that Edo State governor should do the right thing. Shame not there for this one. Shame not there. Nobody is bigger than the judge. Nobody is bigger than the judge. Nobody is bigger than the judge. Even Donald Trump obeyed the court order when they tell us, say, no way, go, no go. Now Joe Biden win. Donald Trump suffering enter house. So when the judge make a pronouncement, it is final. Onona maya ana enya. We dey wait because that day I see and say then go Port Harcourt, they restrain the governor, say make enough force people for the vaccine. He no agree, he no listen. No madam yo. E mani yena wa hiro. Awa hu ye gbo na hulian yi bai. Ona wa hiro na hu ye gbo na hulian yi bai. Very. I don't see him. He don't. Edo people. Congratulations. That's right. Oh, God, your equan. Ashera. I see him for ITV. I laugh. Now that one be among. He don't give una 60 CR now. Not be Tokumbo. 1999 mode. Oh, abame. He don't give them 50 Sienna and the 60 motorbike. Me not even know whether na bed Johnny for they go carry all those ones they go. Hey, which Bendam boutique our governor they go carry all those. Congratulations, Your Excellency. We saw it on ITV. Congratulations, Your Excellency. Governor Godwin Obaseki. Double, sir. We see your handwork, sir. 50 Tokumbo Sienna 1999 model. He only 23 years ago. Only a year to rule with her. That would those Sienna go feel rough for all those poto. Padomosa, we see and say you also buy 60 motorbike joiner for them. We greet you, sir. Domosa, Regboy. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. Your Excellency. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Either good or bad. Half bread is better than no. Una know now. I make more say enough you. Half bread is better than no. We should manage it and thank him. 1999 Tokumbo. Anywhere where he can reach, the fee use and take push the remaining one. Make it drive. If not push and start, anyone. Provided they see or they not see. Then see. Even our governor was even holding microphone to talk to them when he was giving them the vehicle. I see him. He was holding microphone. He was holding microphone to talk to them. And a lot of people, they were all clapping. At all, you get her, my brother Sylvester. I see her, I don't see that comment. At all, na bad. At all, na bad. He do well. I don't know which direction now you want consent they go. Whether na Binia or Chirodo. If that can go fee, follow. Go look for all those kidnappers where they kidnap our people. We see thank him. He done good or bad. At all, na bad. Not true. The time where they not even get the Tokumbo. What will we do? Nothing. Now where be say Tokumbo don't see day. Push or start don't see day. Anywhere where you push them reach, they feel use and te your book kege reach the direction where if he day. Martins, you are right. You are right. He ain't not doing away. So at all, Mr. Governor, thank you, sir. We saw the vehicle, 50. Okay, how they want to share across 18 local government. He said for all of those states. Oh, now they laugh now. Across 18 local governments, pardon, Mosa, you do well. At least 1999 Tokumbo. Now great thing, no. We get Tokumbo, we not get. We get Tokumbo, 1999. Hey, Baba. Your Excellency, sir. What a devanya, we deva you were no new. At least even 5 new one. In case those Tokumbo just drop for Saple Road. Because the road now where they say, where you tell us say you do that if you want go do for Saple Road, where it be say people can't they jubilate. The road it don't peel off, sir. Epa, amewa gbukbo, eyana wa banokoa. Your Excellency, sir, I say make I tell you this one, oh. That Saple Road where you just do. As they just they do and they go. Now so the thing just they follow then they waka. The thing don't come out, oh. The old Kota way they there, everything don't wash come out. Yeah, I share it today when our brother they go video. The water still there, sir. The road where they do, not good. Not good. Yeah, may not go be like a K1 road on, eh? When those people come, they complain now, say they prefer the way a K1 road be before. Where it be say that they feel use 100 naira than the one way it can't be now. Where you can go give them now 1,000 naira now that they take the cross. Red carpet, they'll just a roll on. You really sabian. You really sabian. The thing just a roll, they come out. It don't wash. Water don't wash and put for corner. The asphalt where they put. Water don't wash all of them. Then they side of the road. Not in there the center of the road again. Not in there the center of the road. Now so. Now Tokumbo life we go the day. Now Tokumbo life. At least out of that 50 vehicle. At least 10 go for the new one. In case the Tokumbo just fail, the new one go see like kind of serve them maybe like 2 or 3 years. Anyway, nevertheless, we get or we not get. We get. Thank God say pane bitter day. All day we be say then go feed the pane bitter. And so, 50 Tokumbo, 1999 model. Thank you, sir. No problem. Wow. Wow. And a special suit our governor just wear today go. Now special suit too. All of them just full there. Both the deputy and all. Tokumbo wawe no. Tokumbo wawe no. Ana wawe gbali sutu nyaka. Ado mwe maski bae. Ana wawe de microphone yi. Wow. I think say na new one. I don't even know. Diaspora, you do well. I think say na new one. Me not even know say not be new one at all. Tokumbo. That one go fit go Ugbogiabo. That kind of vehicle. He go fit go Ugbogiabo so. 1999 model. That one don't finish now. I beg the pay if now Europe therefore they bring that car come. Make the person go look for the one we never see too hot now. Waiting now. How you just go carry 1999? 1999, that all those ones. Now quarter to not they pay tax again. Now quarter to not pay tax again. Those ones now old vehicle. Wow. Wow, my people. Now here I talk and rich. Make our governor, make it compensate. Make it compensate. Make it do the right thing. No matter what. You should forget about the shame. You should forget normally this thing. As my brother talk on, it's supposed to be a dialogue. Either good or bad. You can call him, he's your brother, it's your junior brother, it's your blood. You can call him, okay, let me compensate you for all these things. It's like that. It's like that. And so, and the other video, I saw it on BBC, but I never want to go there. I know for that video, I don't see it as something wrong, but it's somebody just letting the world know. The havoc of courtesan, I beg, no be society those days, no be to destroy life, not to hard. Aya dinyoma bayoma is what it's supposed to be, is what I understand. By whatever anything you belong, aya dinyoma bayoma, and ayagbele boa. That is what I just understand. By anything that you feel you belong to, is not to go and do what is not right. That is just what I believe. I greet you now, my people. Now do well. I don't want to stay long. Tomorrow na school. So if na when then day holiday, no problem. Aya adinyoma bayoma. To belong to any group you belong. Let that group reshape your life. Let that group have meaning for your life. Let that group boast your career. Not the one that will take your life. No. Oma what Oma what temeni kbia. Temeni ko walao. Wa rivi ni vi bieka e bieleka. Give do ya uve skunya. E si versa nyo me 12 years in agbo aidonya. All because of this thing. All because of this thing. No, Oma what whatever that will not reshape your life, whatever that will not improve your life, whatever that will not give meaning to your life, financially, economically, wisdom-wise, peace, Oma what Oma what Era enokwa ya atawe uga debatu otuni okeke uya edinyoma banyoma aye de mi na sunu egene denya iya we bury awwa. You know, me I use English. When somebody, maybe grandpapa die or grandmama die, you can't come out. Your friends and well wishers, They will now come and support you. That is what it's supposed to be. Is what it's supposed to be. Walao. Is what I believe it's supposed to be. Your friends and your well-wishers. That is what is supposed to be. Mami viedo mare bun. Maheke na agbele gbimawa. Or maheke. I don't see the video for BBC. I don't listen. But I will talk about it another day. I congratulate him. I'm waiting to see talk. I don't still watch her. I don't see anything bad there. I don't see anything bad. But now waiting, we are supposed to. He's trying to let people be wise about it. So congratulations, Comrade Tony Kabaka. Congratulations to you, to your family. Because the stress, one building company and one destroying it. Now big pain. Now, unless you never do business where be say they never destroy, now you go know how you feel. The thing shake him. He feel and where he a strong man. If not be strong man, son go for don't die of heart attack. Don't just sleep, they not go wake up. Now strong person, he's strong, he get heart. Now he make her, not be everything, everybody, people go, something like that go happen to. He go just see his feet stand up. No, not be everybody. So now so it be. Una good evening. I greet you now, my people. I greet you now. Una do well. Make we all try. Another year. The year is about to end. Year is about to end. Let us be wise. Let us be wise. I beg you all. Una do well. Thank you all for listening. Please help me to share, like, love, follow us. We are not problem maker, but we are truth teller. If na governor win, I go see win and see where if for win. I go see ahead. Una see say I still thank her for the tokumbo we give us. I thank our governor. Either good or bad, at all, not bad. So that one I go still let them, even if na 20 times mechanical, but they still get the vehicle. Thank him. We thank him, say he still provide for them. He provide for them. So he's trying to boost the security level in Edo State. So it depends on your voice, my voice, all our voice, to let him know what we are lacking. Is one of the reasons some of us are still coming out to talk to him. It's not that we hate him. I don't hate him. I don't dislike him. No. I would just say, he's a father, he's a brother, he's an uncle. I will never disrespect him, but it's to let him know the area that Edo people really, really need him. And it's for his own legacy. It is for his own legacy. It's for his own legacy. It's for his own legacy. How many of una think today, una they remember Oyego? Una they talk about the achievement. Anybody they measure. Since we all they talk for this social media, anybody don't talk about a power Oyego. The achievement. And also, I never even come across social media where it be say people go they write the achievement. They. So now so it be. Una good night. Thank you all.